Here's the problem. Most people use just gut feel to try to predict where the Bitcoin price is going. But what I think is way better than just reading the news or trying to guesstimate what's happening is to use quantitative approaches. Now, no model works perfectly, but some are useful. And in this video, we are going to look at various models. I'm going to explain what they mean, and we're going to combine all of those models into one single aggregate model. And again, the reason why we do this is to take away emotions out of the equation. We want to trade based on something that approximates objectivity. Now, let's start off with this aggregate metric. This is the CBBI. So feel free to Google this. It's the Bitcoin Bull Run Index by Colin Talks Crypto, an indicator that hovers between 0 and 100. And whenever we are low, we should be buying Bitcoin. Whenever we are high, we should tend to sell Bitcoin. And so historically, this worked very, very well, right? Historically, we tended to buy bottoms to then afterwards sell the top, to buy the bottom again, to sell the top, etc. And currently, we are rather on the higher end. We are not yet at 100, but we are on the higher end. Now, what is this CBBI? It's a combination indicator of various mathematical models. And we're going to look at every single one of those models in this video. How well did these models individually work and what are they predicting? Let's start off with the first one. So that's the Pi cycle top indicator, which is this indicator over here. It consists of two moving averages, namely the 111-day moving average and the 2 times 350-day moving average. Now, the ratio between those two moving averages equals pi, and that's why it's called the Pi cycle top indicator. And the reason why it's so interesting is it predicts the top whenever those moving averages cross, and it had been developed when the cycle top in 2018 already happened. But here's what's noteworthy. The top over here in 2021 was predicted. It was not a top that was included in the data due to data fitting, right? That's the fitting in all those prior tops. This here was predicted, and it predicted the cycle top quite exactly on the 13th of April 2021. Yes, we saw a slightly higher top subsequently as well, but still, historically, this was a pretty good indicator. And again, if we would now see the 111-day moving average crossing that 2 times 350-day moving average, we'd get another sell signal. Right now, we are very far.
To get the full length video, feel free to simply subscribe over here. Then you get it recommended by the algorithm.